Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please do click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, budget friendly, super tasty tomato rice. Nice and sticky, got some wonderful, wonderful flavors in there. Let's not hang about, let's get on with it. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So I've got 3 regular sized tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. 3 cups of rice, basmati rice I'm using, bay leaf, cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons, and 4 green cardamoms, 1 onion chopped, 200 grams of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Simple. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so large pot, you're going to need a lid as well. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could be using anything else you want. In goes that bay leaf, the cumin seeds, and the green cardamom. And you can play around with this if you want. You can get some other stuff in there. Some cinnamon maybe, or something like that might be nice. Just a few seconds in that oil. Let them do their thing. We're on a high heat, by the way. We're going to drop in our onion. And I'll be back in 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Just like 3 minutes there, get it on the way. We're going to now add the garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in most stores depending on where you live, or make it yourself like we do. Salt. We're going to drop in those tomatoes now. Like I say, try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato. We're now going to add that little bit of turmeric and the chili powder. 5 minutes now, staying on this high heat. We really want to break those tomatoes down. Okay, so I'm just about halfway through. But what I'm going to do now is get my rice, give it a wash a couple of times in cold water, and then just soak it in the water for a few minutes. So these tomatoes are breaking down beautifully. At this point, we're now going to add in the tomato paste. That's going to really help with the colour. And that's why you only put a little bit of turmeric in, because if you put too much turmeric, you're going to end up with yellow rice, which we don't want. Okay, keep stirring all the time now, about 3 or 4 minutes. You really want to cook this tomato paste out. This is going to be really beautiful. So simple. Yeah, really beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, I've just drained my rice off. Just soaking for a few minutes there. And in it goes. And again, stay on this high heat. Another 4 minutes. Keep it moving just like this. Just fry the rice in there. Next up, we're going to add some water. Fantastic. Okay, next up we're going to add water. In it goes. Now the water to rice ratio is, if you've got 1 cup of rice, you want to add 1.5 cups of water. On goes the lid. It's going to let that bring itself to a boil. Once it reaches boiling point, I'm going to get it down to above a simmer and let it go for about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, let's get that heat off, lid off. Get some steam out of there for you. And that is looking beautiful. Beautiful. Nice and sticky. Beautiful flavours. Cilantro or coriander. A little mix. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, steaming hot, beautiful, nice and sticky, lovely colour, fantastic flavours, cheap, cheerful, wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do give us a thumbs up and do leave us a comment. All three of those things help us out a great deal. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.